In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Select Google Password Manager. Click on any password you wish to edit and enter your screen lock to access Edit button. Then change whatever you want to. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!